Hi, welcome back to Sweets and Beyond. My name is Ida, and today I'm going to be showing you a classic Puerto Rican school lunch treat. It was a classic in every public school in Puerto Rico, and it was a favorite. It's Jamonilla Guisada, or in English it's called luncheon meat or spam stewed. Here are the ingredients. So here are the ingredients that we're going to be using. I cut up 2 cans of luncheon meat. You can use spam, you can use, I bought this, it just says luncheon meat. I prefer the off-brands other than spam because I feel like they're like meatier, and spam is like spongier in my opinion. So I cut up 2 cans in about 1-inch cubes. Here I have 3 tablespoons of sofrito, and I just grated 1 garlic clove on top. I'm going to be using 1 packet of sazon with culantro and achote. A tablespoon of oil, I'm using canola. About half a cup of carrots. 2 potatoes that I diced in about almost the same size as the luncheon meat. Here I have half a teaspoon of oregano and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, about 6 to 7 olives, and 1 cup of tomato sauce. This is all we're going to need to make our Jamonilla Guisada. So we're going to start with a big pot at medium-high heat. My stove goes from 0 to 10 and it's at a 7 right now. So we're going to add the the canola oil and the sofrito. Oh, don't you love that sound? And we're just going to stir fry this until it's nice and dark. So it's been a couple of minutes, and now we're going to add the tomato sauce. Just like that. This is a very, very simple dish, and you can add corn to it. Any canned vegetables that you have, you can add it. But this was a staple, and my husband tells me that it was his favorite when he was in public school. I never got the chance because I didn't go to public school. But they say this is the best, and it's one of my favorites too. So we're just going to cook this, incorporating everything. And we're going to add the spices, and we'll be back. So I added the sazon, the spices, and the luncheon meat. So I'm just moving it around. Be careful not to cut up the pieces. You just want all the luncheon meat to grab all those yummy flavors you just put in. And this is very quick and easy to do. The luncheon meat is already cooked. All we need to cook is the carrots and the potatoes. Very hearty. So we're going to let this cook a little bit, and then we're going to come back with the rest of the ingredients. So I added the potatoes, the carrots, and the olives, and I put about 3 cups of water in it. So it's your preference. If you want it thicker, less water. If you want it with more sauce, obviously you're going to put more water in it. So all you're going to do is you're going to let this come to a boil. Then you're going to cover it and put it at 2 medium-low for about 10-15 minutes until the potatoes are soft. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, okay? So we'll be back when I get to serve this. So here you have it. After 10-15 minutes, my Jamonilla Guisada, or spam stew. See how pretty it looks? See, the potatoes are nice and soft. The carrots are nice and soft. And like I told you, this was like a treat, a staple in a Puerto Rican school lunch. To this, you can add a can of mixed vegetables, a can of corn. You can make it your own. It's quick and easy, and you use all your pantry staples. So you use all your cans to make this dish. So if you like this video, thumbs up. All the links to my Instagram and to my Facebook page are going to be in the description box down below. So subscribe, hit that bell button so you can get the notifications And there's nothing else to say but Buen Provecho. Oh, I can't wait. And of course it was always served with white rice. And they usually served it with like a fruit cocktail, or they always had a dessert. So let's go. Here's a big bite. Try it.